Hello, you are watching a Draw with Me BAR tutorial. Today, I will show you how I use the grid method in a digital painting. Let's go ahead and get started. First, we will add a grid over our reference photo. Then, we will add a grid over our digital canvas. Make sure that your reference photo and digital canvas are the same size. That way, the grid will come out to be the same on the canvas as it is on the photo. Now, we will number the grid on our reference photo. We will letter the grid vertically and number the grid horizontally. After that, we will number our digital canvas grid. The reason we label the grids this way is so that we know which square we are working on when drawing an outline. My grid is 17 squares by 14 squares. It's always a good idea to make a grid with many squares rather than a grid with few squares. The more squares you have on your grid, the more accurate your drawing will come out. I like to copy and paste the numbers when numbering the grid. This makes the process a lot faster. Now we will start drawing the outline of her head and body. I will first start out at the top of her head. Then I will draw an outline of her, matching the outline as closely as I can with the one on the reference photo. I will do this by looking at each square up close and drawing the outline as accurately as possible. Now that we're done drawing the outline of her head and body, let's draw her facial features. The nice thing about drawing digitally is, if you draw something in the wrong spot, you can take your selection tool and move your drawing to the correct spot. You can also use this tool to adjust the size of your drawing as well. Now that we are done drawing her facial features, I am going back in and correcting any mistakes or inaccuracies that I may have made. When you are drawing a picture of someone, it's really important to get the facial features exactly correct, so that your viewer will be able to recognize who is in the drawing. That is why I take extra time with this step, so I can make sure that everything is exactly correct. And there you have it. One complete outline. Now we can begin coloring and shading. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.